Hey guys, oh my god, I'm so dramatic, but I am finally able to get my Canon camera to work. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I did a whole lot of troubleshooting. If y'all don't know, I mentioned in a couple previous videos that I was having some problems with my Canon camera and getting it to pick up on my monitor, which is my laptop. But I was able to get it working. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Anyway, I digress. Y'all know I like to ramble, but this is going to be a little hair video, child. So if y'all don't know, I am relaxed. Your girl finally went over to the creamy crack side. I just could not do the whole natural life anymore, if I'm being completely honest. So I am relaxed, or in this case, I guess you can say text-lax, child. So, and I am getting where oh, I thought I stopped recording. I'm getting to the point where I'm probably due for a little touch up, but we're not gonna go that route. I want to do a ponytail. So I'm gonna do a video on a little ponytail. Yes, still doing a ponytail with my lack thereof edges. That's fine. But yeah, I wanted to do a ponytail, so I'm just gonna do a quick video on how I do my little top knot ponytail buns. I'm also gonna see if I can do like a little, what you call that, middle part with some, ooh, my scalp is so dry, with some clip-ins right here. I've never done that before, so we just gonna give it a try and see how this works out. Pray for me. All right, so my hair is kind of partially air dried at this point. I have very fine hair. So I'm just going to apply some dropping stuff. I'm just gonna apply some BioSilk oil. It's also like a heat protector. So just to add some silkiness, I guess, protection from all the heat. Well, I'm not gonna put much heat because honestly my hair is partially air dried already. So I don't have to do too much air drying, too much blow drying. All right, so I look so crazy. I'm just going to oil my scalp because my scalp is like super duper dry. Like honestly, it's like the dandruff is real. I have to oil my scalp a bit. Okay, so for a little bang area, part this much out. All right, I'm gonna do a little part here. Child, these roots. Yeah, like I'm so not used to doing my own hair like this. Like it's been so long since I've actually had to do my own hair. Like when I say do my own hair, I mean like not putting a wig on. Like I'm so used to just either putting a wig on or getting some braids. So your girl is struggling over here. We're experimenting together. And then if I part it in the middle. Okay. All right, I think we're good. Over here. That's as straight as it's gonna get. And let's twist these and get it out the way, okay? We're gonna work on our ponytail. I think I'm going to get this regular comb. All right, I'm really not liking this armpit situation. I'll be back. Okay, much better. So I'm going to now comb my hair back I want to see how high I want to make this ponytail. Let's see. Look up here is good. Let me see. Look up here. Top knot. Up here. We're gonna get it real slick and sleek. So I'm trying this new gel. It's a smoothing gel from As I Am. Hopefully I like it. Let's see. Now I do have some thinning edges, and it's whatever. Like, it is what it is, yeah. At this point, let's see. Is it going to give what I need it to give, or else I will go ahead and just pull out my Gots to Be and my there's another one that I'll be using, Gorilla Snot. Those have tons of alcohol in it, which is, you know, one of the reasons why it has such good hold. But I was trying to be a good girl and not use something with so much alcohol. But, you know, if I have to, I have to. My hard bristle brush here. Ooh, she real hard. This really helps get everything slick down. I'm gonna leave some edges out because I do want to do my edges. Some baby hairs. Just got a crick in my neck. Damn. I feel like this gel's not gonna give me the hold that I need, and I'm not even gonna play myself. So please hold. Let me go get my other gel. I have my little castor oil gel I'm gonna use. Oh, clearly I've never opened it. So I'm gonna use that because I ain't got time for these games. I need this hairstyle to last, okay? I need this hairstyle to give me at least a week. Okay, so I'm playing. We're gonna get this hair nice and slick by any means necessary, okay? My arm is tired. All right, secure the ponytail. I don't even know what I'm saying now. Ugh. Why was this ponytail so hard? All right, y'all. So my sister called me with some tea, so I had to do a voiceover for this part. But I have just the regular braiding hair that you get from the beauty supply store. You know, the one that comes in 3 in a pack. Kalankalong, I think that's how you say it. So I just grabbed one of those. I used the rubber band part to attach it to my head. At first I started doing like the 2-strand twisting motion thing you can see right here. But then I figured that, you know what, I can just wrap it around my hair and just kind of like twist it as I'm wrapping it, if that makes any sense. Like, you'll see what I'm doing. Like, I'm literally like just twisting the hair as I wrap it into the bun. And with doing that motion, it kind of helps with that top knot part, I guess you could say. Well, that's what the girl did. I did watch a tutorial for this part just because I wanted to see how she did it. There's this girl that I follow. I cannot think of her name right now. But this girl that I follow, that she always does top knot buns. So I just followed her method. And I just kept twisting it until I had this bun. And I kind of tucked it into itself. You know, you just play around with it till you get your desired height. I wanted it a little taller, a little higher, So I just unraveled it and then rewrapped it again. See, it's like kind of falling apart right now. But again, you know, you just keep messing around with it until you get it to look the way you want it to look. So here I am twisting and wrapping again till it's the way I want it to look.
With my eyes don't see, me I no fit talk on, me I no fit yanam, yeah. With my eyes don't see, me I no fit talk on, me I no fit yanam, yeah. They say money never needs your upon vanity. If you know to get in a calamity, brother, this life in a spirituality, yeah. They say money never needs.
So now it looks exactly how I want it to look, and I'm just putting some bobby pins, is that what it is? Just regular pins in there to kind of keep it secure. Not too much, just because, you know, you really don't want the pins to start scratching your head and become uncomfortable. And now we're moving on to the side bangs or the front parts. So as you can tell, I'm parting the middle part. You want to get it as straight as possible. And now I'm just doing another part on that one section on that side, and then I'm going to apply the clip-ins. So these were just little, I made them myself. I had some extra hair lying around. I had the clips, I had the needle, and I had the thread. I had all the things to do this hairstyle. So I just quickly applied them. Unfortunately, I didn't have like a full strip, so I just did small bits, I guess you can say. And I'm just clipping them in to the desired length, not desired length, but thickness, I guess you can say. I just added one or two clips each side.
Look at hairstyle from the street. Look at hairstyle from the ghetto. This how will never make it big. Me, I tell them say, oh no. Look at me hairstyle from the street. Look at me hairstyle from the ghetto. This how will never make it big. Me, I tell them say,
and you want to make sure that your tracks are covered. I just wanted to make sure that I left enough hair on top so you couldn't see the tracks and whatnot. So going back in, making sure my part was nice and straight and clean, I guess you can say.
just me and my family, yeah. Nobody if you be somebody if you be nobody. Never look down or no,
Now I'm just going in with my flat iron to kind of, I'm going in to just straighten out my roots because my roots were a little on the puffy side. And this flat iron, I've had this iron for like over 10 years. It is one sturdy ass flat iron. I got it from Sally Beauty years ago. It's the Ion brand and it's very, very hot. So I had it on like maybe 375 or whatnot. And it's hot on the outside as well. So it really worked well. It works well with curling your hair. I'll make sure to link it below. I think I found it on Amazon for my cousin not too long ago. So I'll make sure to link it below and have it in my Amazon storefront if you guys want to get this flat iron. It really is a good investment. Like I said, I've had it for like over 10 years now. So I'm just curling the two front parts of my hair. And I mean, that's pretty much it after that.
If you know to get in a calamity, brother, this life in a spirituality, yeah. Nobody if you be somebody if you be nobody. Never look down or no, nobody if you be somebody if you be nobody. Never look down on no person. Me I make cash on the low, on the low. Me I wanna turn up on the low, on the low. Me I wanna get to the do. Me I wanna shine on the low, on the low. Me I wanna turn up on the low, on the low. Me I wanna shine on the low, on the low. Me I wanna get to the do, get the low. Me I wanna turn up on the low, on the low.